Welcome to Lion Electric. Lion Electric is an innovative manufacturer of zero-emission vehicles. We create, design, and manufacture all-electric Class 5 to Class 8 commercial urban trucks and all-electric buses and minibuses for the school, paratransit, and mass transit segments. Lion is a North American leader in electric transportation and designs, and we build and assemble all of our vehicles' components, including chassis, battery packs, truck cabins, and bus bodies. Let me introduce you to Lion Electric's facility in St-Jerome, Canada. Lion's operations cover 200,000 square feet, and we have the capacity to produce 2,500 vehicles a year. All products are conceptualized, designed, developed, and manufactured by Lion. Our vehicles are purpose-built and dedicated to being 100% electric. At Lion Electric, we also assemble our own battery packs. We have developed our own battery management system, BMS, and battery thermal management system, BTMS, to maximize the safety and performance of our batteries in all situations, from extreme heat to sub-zero Siberian temperatures. Here is our truck assembly line. All our vehicles are fully developed, engineered, and assembled here at Lion. We are extremely proud of the fact that we build all of our vehicles ourselves, from start to finish. This is the Lion C and Lion D body assembly line, where our full-size school buses are manufactured. All of our vehicles are then inspected and subjected to quality control with the highest standards, including on-road testing. This is our Lion A and Lion M product line. The Lion A is intended for schools with special needs students, while the Lion M is a shuttle minibus. We also have service centers all over North America to support our customers directly in their home markets. As you have seen, Lion Electric is very real. In fact, we have over 390 vehicles on the road right now, with more than 7 million real-world miles driven. We have 7 different types of 100% electric heavy-duty vehicles available today, and in 2021, we will increase to 11. Lion Electric, the bright move.